Hey everyone, my name is Tobias Siegel with Promolife, and today we're going to talk about our new hydrogen inhalation machine. The Promolife hydrogen inhalation machine allows you to breathe up to 850 milliliters of combined pure hydrogen and pure oxygen. This is a very durable and easy machine to operate, and it is fully assembled and made in the United States. In addition, this machine is designed to run 24/7 without the need for a cool down cycle. In addition, the Promolife hydrogen inhalation machine comes with the following attachments that allow you to generate hydrogen-rich water and apply hydrogen directly to the skin. You get a water infusion attachment, 2 nasal cannulas, a 6-foot extension cable, a cupping funnel, and the electrolyte mix. So let's get into the technical facts about this machine. This machine generates up to 567 milliliters of pure hydrogen. It also generates up to 283 milliliters of pure oxygen. So when you combine both these gases together and breathe it, you are breathing Brown's gas. What I like about this machine is it's very easy to use. You can visually see the hydrogen bubbling into the water in the front, so you know it's working. The unit's available in 110 volts or 220 volts. And another great feature is this unit is fully cleanable. So let's just say if you use the unit daily and then you stop for like 6 months and want to use it again, you can utilize the cleaning feature to ensure that it's fully clean on the inside. Now, I've tested multiple hydrogen inhalation machines on the market, and this is by far the most dependable one I have used. If you use hydrogen daily, a dependable USA-made model is needed. This unit also comes with a 3-year warranty, and all the parts on the inside and out are easily replaceable. Now, let's go over how to operate. Before we do anything, we need to add the electrolyte mix. Please reference the safety guideline in the manual when doing this. Use the provided funnel and be very careful when adding. If you spill the electrolyte mix, make sure to clean up as soon as possible. When you are done, be sure to wash the funnel before adding water to the unit. We recommend using gloves during this process. Next, plug the unit in and use the funnel to add distilled water into the reservoir. Continue to add water slowly until you see the red light turn off and the green light turn on. Then make sure to screw the cap back on tightly. Now you will need to add distilled water to the gas purifying cups located at the front of the unit. Make sure to fill to this point here and that the lids are screwed on tightly. Now you are ready to add your preferred accessory. In this demonstration, I will be adding the nasal cannula for breathing hydrogen. Set the timer by pressing your preferred minute button. To set the unit to continuous mode, hold the large button down for 4 seconds. You will start to see water bubbling in the gas purifier cups. This indicates everything is working properly and you are ready to breathe pure hydrogen and pure oxygen. If you want a reliable, USA-made, high-powered hydrogen inhalation machine, this is the one for you. If you have any additional questions about this equipment, please visit www.promolife.com or give us a call at 888-742-3404. Also, don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram.